Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video, we will create an automation script related to service request object. In this simple script, we will set internal priority for SR as reported priority. So let's see our script. We will go to automation script application. This is the script that have been created. This is a script. It's an object launch point for SR object. Okay. Save, make the event as save, and add or update. And before saving, okay, let's go to our script. This is a reported priority. We will take this value and store it in reported priority. Then we will set internal priority value with this value. Okay, so no validation here, no access check. Okay, that is our code. This is our script activated. Then let's see it. So go to our service request application. We will try to create a new request. Okay, let's call it test. Okay, priority. No problem. Let's set reported by MaxAdmin. Here, this is our reported priority. Let's select medium. Then this internal priority should be like this after saving. So let's save it. Now see, that's 3. Okay, that's all for this video. See you in the next one, and thank you.